Hello students, in this practical we will study characteristics of the reflex crystal. So in that experiment, we have to study characteristics. So connection diagram is as that is this is a Klystron power supply which is connected to the through 8 pin socket this reflex crystal. Okay, and this is a reflex crystal. Then next is the isolator. Isolator provides frequency stability, and next block is a variable attenuator. Then frequency meter is there connected. Then this is a slotted section, and above that slotted section the tunable probe is connected. Here output is detected and given to the CRO. We will observe output on CRO. Okay, so here we are studying the mode characteristics of this reflex crystal. So this is a diagrammatical representation of this reflex crystal, and in this reflex crystal generally electron gun is present and anode cavity is present, and this repeller electrode is there. Okay, generally more negative voltage is provided here to the repeller, and electron gun emits the electrons, and this electron passes through this cavity and goes towards the repeller, and due to providing more negative voltage these electrons repel back, and during return journey they forms bunches, and when they pass through this gap they give its energy to the gap and will get the amplified output. So in this experiment, first we will start with Klystron power supply. So first keep this knob on beam voltage, keep this knob on AM. Then this beam voltage knob, we have to keep in anti-clockwise direction. This repeller voltage knob or reflector voltage knob we have to keep in clockwise direction. Okay, and then we have to start the Klystron power supply. So if we start the Klystron power supply, we have to increase the beam voltage. So increase the beam voltage up to 280. So I am increasing the beam voltage up to 280. Observe there. So increase the beam voltage, we have increased up to 281. Then measure the beam current, note down this reading. Then beam current at that time is a 16 milliampere. Then make this knob on a reflector voltage. So in this experiment, as we have fixed the beam voltage at 280 volt, then don't vary this knob, we have to vary this reflector voltage, and observe the square wave output on a CRO. So we will now vary the repeller voltage. So we will vary repeller voltage and observe the square wave output on the CRO. So I will vary the repeller voltage. So observe there on CRO we will get square wave output. So square wave output on CRO you can observe. So this is a square wave output on CRO. Okay, so at each voltage we have to take the reading. So for 202 volt square wave output, if you observe is here, observe here, adjust, that is a 2 into this multiplying factor is a 0.2, 2 into 0.2 volt is a reading. Then again vary the repeller voltage. I will vary the repeller voltage. So at this point measure. So 199 at this point repeller voltage observe karo, which is again adjust here. Okay, so 1.9 into 0.2 volt. Okay, then again you can vary this repeller voltage. So observe at 191 there is no output. Okay, again you can vary at 173, at 147. Okay, so at 113 there is a square wave output again. Okay, so this output is again observe karo 2 amplitude 2 into 0.2 volt. Okay, so such type of readings we have to take, and in this experiment we can also measure frequency. Okay, from frequency meter we can measure the frequency. So we have to rotate that frequency meter, and we will get one point that that amplitude will decrease. Okay, so I am rotating now. We will get one point where amplitude of that square wave output will decrease. ये देखो यहाँ पे जो है वेरिएशन आता है, तो वहाँ पे रुकने का है। ये देखो यहाँ पे वेरिएशन दिख रहा है स्क्वायर वेव आउटपुट में, तो यहाँ पे रुको और मेजर द फ्रीक्वेंसी. Okay, so measure the frequency. There are two red lines and one horizontal line is there. Okay, so adjust accordingly, variation observe there and adjust accordingly. So approximately up to 9.34 there is a gigahertz. 9.34 and 9.36 के बीच में है, तो we can say that 9.34 gigahertz is a frequency. So this from this finding frequencies at a particular repeller voltage, we can draw the mode characteristics or measure the mode characteristics of reflex crystal. Okay, so thanks.